Diamonds were formed billions of years ago and extremely rare, thus perceived as very special and valuable. Hey everyone, I'm Prashant Kulkarni and welcome to my channel on behavior economy. Today we are going to discuss a principle called scarcity or scarcity bias. The dictionary meaning of scarcity is deficient in quantity or number compared with its demand. Scarce resource will always have a value associated with it. So this onions can be scarce resource if the demand is high compared to its availability. The scarcity principle simply means resources which are scarcely available are perceived to be more precious. Tigers, diamonds, in some countries even food is a scarce resource and thus very precious. But the scarcity principle goes even further and also deals with how these resources are allocated as compared to its demand. There are some methods to allocate these resources against its demand, and these are some of the fundamental problems economists always try to solve. Let's take a look at some of the ways to allocate these resources. First come first serve basis, in which if the car parking has limited slots available, cars coming first are allocated the parking spot. Same with the movie tickets. Or another way to allocate the resources is the basis of gender and age. For example, oldest or youngest first, or ladies first. When boats were scarcely available, Titanic captains decided to let the youngest and ladies first get off the ship. Another way is based on merit or performance. For example, students who get the highest marks get the seat to post-graduation, or someone who performs better wins the gold, silver, or bronze medal. Lottery system is also another way to allocate scarce resources. In auction system, art piece is allocated to the highest pair. Another way is to allocate resources is based on who needs them first. For example, corona vaccine is first given to the frontline doctors and paramedics, then the oldest, and so on. By the way, all these allocation principles have algorithms. Some are very simple and some are very complex. In product context, scarcity is widely used by product strategists and marketing executives. Look closely and you will find various ways the scarcity principle is used. For example, deal of the day on Amazon makes you think you are going to lose a product if you don't buy it today. Only two left makes the resource scarce and creates a sense of urgency in buyers. Deal ending timers or scheduled 1 hour window or lightning deals are some of the other examples. In short, scarcity creates a sense of urgency and perceives resources as very precious. This principle is exploited by product strategists for hundreds of years to sell their products. I hope you like the video. If yes, please press the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you will always get to know when I upload the next video. Thank you very much for watching.